I'm going to show you how to write high quality content for your website in minutes using AI. These articles will have valuable information, numbered lists, and pictures. It'll be written from a good outline using reliable sources on the web that are fact-checked for the best content. I'll also test out the image generation tool and run the articles through the AI content detectors, including the most strict detector, to see how it does. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to write a free article using Katteb. Katteb is an AI-powered tool that simplifies the process of creating high-quality content for your website. Here's some of the features. Generate fact-check content for your blog and online store. Get headlines, ideas, or a whole article just by providing keywords. Proofread and check for plagiarism to ensure your content is the highest quality. So let's take a look at the article writer and see how it does. So just enter in your topic and then it'll give you a list of titles to choose from. So I like this title. After you choose your title, you can click Create Outline. Then here it'll put together a nice outline for you. And then you have a few different options you can choose from, including tone of voice, point of view. You can add in some keywords, and then you can choose the word count. After you have all of those options taken care of, you can click Continue, and it'll give you some more settings. So I'm gonna switch this to GPT-4. You can choose how the internet data is used. You can also have it check for internal links. You can add in featured image, add an image per section, and then click Create Article. So here's the article. I'm gonna scroll through so you can see it. It's a good looking article with some good looking images here. I also like how the image has the citation for the source that it was pulled from automatically generated. So here I'm gonna continue to scroll. You can see some good graphics. You see some good quality content here. Here's a routine for this article. And then it also has a matching image. And then here it gives some more valuable information for those that are looking to protect their face when wearing a mask. So I'm gonna continue to scroll here. Here it gives some more good information, and these are also good headings for each section. It continues to give good information as well as natural remedies for the person. It gives a lot of good suggestions on different kind of masks you can use. And then here's a conclusion. And then it also has a recap of the article and some tips. Now let's run the content through the AI content detector to see how it performs. Scriber says there's 0% chance that this text was generated by AI. Content detector says this content is likely human with a 48% probability that it was generated by AI. So this is a good result here. We only have a few sentences that are marked as being too robotic. Now let's try content at scale. Content at scale says it's hard to tell whether this was written by AI or not. When looking at the actual content, there's only a couple sentences here that are highlighted as being robotic. So this is a good result for this content. Now let's check out the image generator. So here I had it generate an image that was already generated as an example to see if I could replicate it. So it looks like it did a pretty good job. This eye is a little bit off, but otherwise I think it looks pretty good. Now let's jump into the pros, cons, and my overall opinion of Katteb. Here's the pros. It writes high quality content from a good outline created from research using reliable sources. It adds images to the article from different sources on the web and gives credit to the source. It has a user-friendly interface to easily generate articles without any complicated setup. Here's the cons. The only options for adding images is to insert one in every section or not. So many of the images were duplicated in the article and would have to be manually removed. The image generation tool is hit or miss. For example, this image has weird looking hands, and this image has strange looking faces. So you have to play with this feature to get good images. There's no way to add recommended keywords to optimize the article after it's been written. Overall, Katteb writes valuable content with images and numbered lists from an outline that's well researched using reliable sources. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using Katteb. Check out these other videos for more cutting-edge AI software you should be using.